Looking for a forklift for sale in the UAE? Choosing the right forklift truck for your business can be challenging, especially with so many options available in 2025. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from the types of forklifts and their uses, to the key factors you should consider before making your purchase. Whether you run a small warehouse, a large distribution center, or a busy logistics yard, this guide will help you make the most informed decision. Not all forklifts are the same, and selecting the wrong machine can cost your business time, money, and efficiency. The right forklift truck depends on several factors, including your workspace, the types of loads you handle, and your operational requirements. For example, some forklifts are ideal for indoor use, while others are specifically designed to handle outdoor environments. Understanding these differences is crucial when looking for a forklift for sale in the UAE. Let's start by exploring the main types of forklifts available today. Electric forklifts are one of the most popular choices for indoor operations. They operate quietly, produce zero emissions, and require minimal maintenance. If your warehouse needs a safe and eco-friendly solution, electric forklifts are often the best option. They are ideal for handling pallets, stacking inventory, and moving goods efficiently inside enclosed spaces. Diesel forklifts, in contrast, are designed for outdoor heavy-duty operations. They provide high power and can handle larger loads with ease. Diesel forklifts are commonly used in construction sites, ports, and open storage areas where lifting and moving heavy materials is a daily task. When you search for a forklift for sale in the UAE, diesel models remain a reliable choice for businesses that require strength and durability in demanding conditions. Reach trucks are specialized forklifts designed for narrow aisles and high racking. They allow operators to extend the forks to reach pallets stored at great heights while maintaining stability and precision. For warehouses with tall shelves and limited floor space, reach trucks are essential for maximizing storage capacity and improving operational efficiency. V&A, or very narrow aisle forklifts, are another excellent option for businesses where space is limited. These forklifts are engineered to operate in extremely tight spaces while still handling significant loads. Using a V&A forklift can help you increase storage density without the need for costly warehouse expansions. For smaller warehouses or retail backrooms, pallet trucks and stackers are perfect solutions. These compact machines are easy to maneuver, cost-effective, and ideal for moving light to medium loads quickly and efficiently. If you're just starting a small logistics operation or managing a retail inventory, pallet trucks can save time and improve workflow. When deciding which forklift truck to purchase, it's important to understand not only the types of machines but also the specific needs of your business. Consider the weight and size of your typical loads. Will your forklift need to lift heavy containers, or will it primarily move smaller pallets? Also, think about the layout of your warehouse or yard. Is it indoors, outdoors, or a combination of both? Matching the forklift to your operational environment ensures maximum efficiency and safety. Fuel type is another critical factor. Electric forklifts are great for indoor use, while diesel forklifts are better suited for outdoor and heavy-duty operations. Some businesses may also consider LPG-powered forklifts, which offer flexibility for both indoor and outdoor use. Understanding the pros and cons of each fuel type will help you select the most suitable forklift for your business needs. Service and maintenance are equally important. A forklift is a long-term investment, and regular maintenance ensures it remains safe and efficient. When looking for a forklift for sale in the UAE, choose a supplier that provides after-sales support, access to spare parts, and professional servicing. This reduces downtime and extends the lifespan of your equipment, ultimately saving money. Budget and return on investment should also guide your decision. While it might be tempting to choose the cheapest option, the most cost-effective forklift is one that balances purchase price with durability, maintenance costs, and operational efficiency. Investing in the right forklift today will pay off in the form of improved productivity and fewer operational headaches tomorrow. Choosing a trusted supplier is essential. A reputable company can provide genuine forklifts, expert advice, and reliable service. Aras FZE, located in Jebel Ali Free Zone, is a leading provider of forklift trucks for sale in the UAE. They offer a wide range of forklifts, electric, diesel, reach trucks, VNA machines, and pallet trucks, along with rental and maintenance services to suit every business need. Working with a trusted supplier ensures you get the right machine for your operations and ongoing support to keep your warehouse running smoothly. In summary, selecting the right forklift truck requires careful consideration of your load requirements, warehouse layout, fuel type, maintenance, and budget. By understanding the different types of forklifts and their applications, you can make a smart choice that increases efficiency, safety, and productivity in your business. Ready to invest in the perfect forklift truck for your business? Visit arasfze.com or call +971 4887 6602 to explore a wide range of forklifts for sale in the UAE. Make the smart choice today and take your warehouse operations to the next level.